So hello guys, welcome and welcome back to series of Python basics. So we are still in fundamental, that is part 2 of Python basics. The first part was the introduction and the installation. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about the Python comments. Basically, and before I continue, okay, to clear this, clear the command prompt, here you just use the CLS like that and you clear that. Again, I realized that on my code editor, we had an error here of select the Python interpreter. So you just have to click it down here. It's down here. Yeah, here. You just have to click it and select the Python that you are using, the version, the Python you are using. So let's go on. So create the file comments. So in this video, we are going to talk about comments. The most common use of a comment is to make the code more readable or to explain a code. And for comments, they are always ignored by the compiler or the interpreter whenever you are running the code. You won't see your comment printed in a command portal or in your program whenever you are running it. So they are always ignored by the compiler or the interpreter. So comments makes the code more readable. For example, you are explaining a particular variable. For example, I'm to create a customer details. So I want to explain them. So let me first give a hint. Here we are explaining about the customer details. Okay, that's comment. Comment in Python, you can use the hashtag. That's one. The other thing you can use is the double quotes, the triple quotes, sorry. The triple quotes, as I showed you, but I like to use the triple quotes on inside a function whenever you are defining the how or what that does the function does. So that's when I like to use the triple quotes. So to make a comment in Python, you use the hashtag or the triple quotes. The triple quotes like that. So you can make this. For example, you can just use the hashtag and define the comment or the triple quotes. Basically, let's create customer details. We want to define the customer name is equals to bill, like that. Maybe you can define this as the, let me just edit it like name, like that. You can go to customer ID. Want to explain it, customer ID, equals to 365, like that. So basically that's how you define a comment in Python. For triple quotes, okay, for a single line comment, use the hashtag. For more than multiple lines, that is for multiple comments lines, use the triple quotes like this. You can define anything here, but that's the use of a triple quotes. You can use it for multiple lines. For a single line, use the hashtag. That's all for Python comments in this particular video. So in the next video, we are going to talk about the keywords. Definitely, I'm going to show you some keywords that are normally reserved in Python programming. So thank you.